you are a parent, please be careful the type of private hospital you take your children to whenever they are not feeling fine. Because most of these private hospitals that we are seeing now, most of them do not even have qualified doctor. And most of them do not even have registration number. They have not registered their hospital. We need to be very careful. Not that we will take our children to a hospital. That child is not feeling fine. It's just minor sickness. At the end of the day, we will not be going back with our child with another negative sickness. May God forbid it for our children. Why am I saying this? A parents of a 19-month-old baby are accusing a private hospital of infecting their son with HIV through a blood transmission. Watch the video.
The parents of a 19-month-old baby boy, Praise and Mimi Mumbo, says their child, Jeremiah, contracted HIV following 2 blood transfusions at Safe Bliss Medical Center, a private hospital in Benin City. According to the child's father, Praise Mumbo, he said baby Jeremiah was first admitted to the hospital on February 6, 2025 with high fever and a critically low blood level. With the packed cell volume PCV reading at just 11%, the hospital advised an urgent transfusion and blood worth 40,000 naira was purchased and administered. The family returned to the same hospital on May 3, 2025 for a second admission. Once again, the hospital recommended a transfusion. Mr. Mumbo says that although he and his wife offered to donate blood, the hospital allegedly declined, citing unavailability of lab personnel to screen it. They were instead asked to purchase another unit of blood for 35,000 naira. He said his family was devastated when doctors at the government hospital later told him his baby had HIV as he appealed for justice for his son.
When my baby temperature was very high, which is this year, February 6, so we took him to Safe Bliss Medical Center along Sloko Road. So when we get there, they do all the necessary tests for his body that he have a PCV is very low and he have fever and temperature is very high. So they do both HIV tests that day. And when they do the test, HIV test, which is ROVS, show negative. It show negative. And after they do the test finish, that they need to give him blood. And I suggest that I should donate my own blood. They say that their lab scientists not around, that they can take blood from me, and it will take a long process. That the baby temperature is very high and is according to a condition that they need to buy blood the faster way. So I don't have choice because the baby condition, I was very scared at that moment. So I now make a deposit and they bring the blood within some minutes. If I'm not mistaken, it's not up to 30 minutes. So they bring the blood. After they bring the blood, they transfuse the blood on him. They admit us and transfuse the blood on him. They give him the blood twice.
Following the diagnosis at the government hospital, the couple filed a formal complaint with the Edo State Ministry of Health and the Office of the Attorney General, alleging negligence and unsafe medical practices.
I received a petition from the parents of that young child. We are going to make sure that we follow through that matter to see that justice is done and put squarely the blame where it should belong.
In response to the allegations, the Edo State Commissioner for Health, Dr. Cyril Oshomole, confirmed that Safe Bliss Medical Center has been sealed. He said investigations revealed that the hospital was operating without registration. Dr. Cyril Oshomole said preliminary findings show that the blood donors tested HIV negative as of July 28, 2025. He added that the parents have also been screened.
We still up the hospital. The donors, we've taken their blood sample. They were both HIV negative. This is horrific. I wouldn't wish that for my enemy at all.
As at 28th of July 2025, attempts to get a direct comment from Safe Bliss Medical Center were unsuccessful. The hospital directed all inquiries to their legal counsel, who stated that a public response would be issued at a later date. Meanwhile, in a follow-up interview at the Ministry of Health on Monday, 4th August 2025, the spokesperson for the Mumbo family, Honorable Inos Mumbo, said the test results of baby Jeremiah's parents are out and HIV negative, and that they are looking towards a peaceful resolution.
On the part of the hospital, they were at the defensive end, especially the administrator of the hospital, who felt that the image of the hospital is much more than the life of the child.
This is so bad.
Reacting to the latest development, the administrator of Safe Bliss Medical Center, Esosa Benjamin, extolled the effort of the Ministry of Health. He cited that even though the hospital has been exonerated by the outcome of the test results of the donors, they still look forward to settling the matter amicably.
So my dear brothers and sisters, you heard what they said. Where I thank God that the authority have shut down that hospital, because this type of hospital is not supposed to be existing. How can someone brought their child just having headache, fever, and short of blood, and you transmit blood to that child, and you are transmitting HIV? HIV is a bad sickness and does not even have cure. HIV does not have cure except God intervene. Now they are saying that it's not their fault, but thank God that they said they test the baby before transmitting that baby, that the baby did not even have HIV before putting that blood on that baby, and the parents did not have. Now they are saying that no, there's mistake somewhere. Which kind of mistake? I don't really know what is happening now. We all have to be very careful and prayerful. It's only God that can help us in this planet Earth that we are living now. Well, my dear brothers and sisters, I just pray that this family have justice. Anything you think about this video, do not forget to leave it in the comments below. And not forget to share this video, give your friends and family. And not forget to give me thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, follow me in my Facebook, and follow me in my TikTok. As you do that, thank you and God bless you, and I will see you in my next video.